Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2020 Toyota Tacoma TDR Sport double cab, crew cab, whatever you want to call it. 4x4, 5-foot box. You know, I don't have to tell you about these Tacomas. They hold their value the best. They last forever. Man, you just can't go wrong. And in the TDR Sport package, they look fantastic. Got the bigger flares on it, the bigger wheel and tire, stand a little taller, hood scoop. Just a good looking truck. It has a cement interior, the outside's super white, the windows are tinted. I bought it from the original owner. It has clear Carfax, he was in no accidents. The vehicle is mechanically stock, has the bumper-to-bumper warranty on it. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. It's passed the 100-point inspection with flying colors. Yeah, it's just a really nice, super clean Toyota. They are legendary for their capabilities and how long they last and how great the resale is. Seated Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Oh, got the technology package, big touchscreen. Yeah, they're great.